Hi friends, how you all? We going to see today column based questions. This is one of the topics which was given in 2018 SBI PO prelims. Okay, but this time competition going to be huge. So this time I am thinking they will give you this one. Okay, in prelims as clerical level also. Okay, but how to handle this section in exams? Okay, this is the important one. So they will going to give you at any cost. Every year they are going to give new topics. This year also they will do same thing. So how to handle these column based questions? There are same we have handled this type of things in our childhood level, but that question level it is different. There it is very small one, here it is somewhat it is risky one. So why I am telling risky one, you can see there are two columns, column 1 and column 2. So in our childhood they were used to give like bat, ball, apple, means they were the picture of those things, it is one side, and they will give another side like ball, bat and cat, like that they will write in letters and they will give the picture, we need to match which one is which one. Okay, that is very simple, the same pattern here, but the question levels are different here. Okay, so we need to match same sentence, like we need to join sentences here. Okay, complete sentence. So how it is, how to do, how to handle at the time of examination, whenever they were introducing new topics means you think that it is easy. Okay, whenever they were introducing new topics means that is easy. Why I am telling, first time they won't be like very tough, it is easy for students also, once they need to think in examination only. Okay, they will get it answer easily. So how to handle this one, we need to see today's discussion. Okay, see first one, column 1 what they have given 3, in column 2 again 3, so it is 6. We need to join out of which 2 or 3, or how many, as per options we can decide how many we need to join. Okay, so first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, 5 options will be there in examination. So first of all, how to handle this question means there are two techniques. One, we need to go from column 1 and we need to read column 2. Second one is I choose this method. Why means it is easiest method for me, so I need to go through options. So which one is which one is which one, why I am going through options? When that portion of sentence it is less, means that content is less, so it will take for me time very less. So it is bigger one, so means it is a very very lengthy one. So it will kill my time. At that time I can't kill my time at examination. So whatever the time they were giving only 20 minutes, I should not kill my time. So there are two methods, going through option and going through column, like column 1 and column 2 we need to match that one. So there are how to handle, where to handle these two techniques I need to explain in this video. Okay, first one you see, as the head of the family he ensures that. So second one you see, Ravi is such a disorganized fellow that. Third one you see, the boy next door nags his parents because. Okay, because and because of, because is a conjunction, because of it is a preposition, so because it 100% joins some other words also. Okay, other sentences also. So you see in next one, column 2, he runs around like a headless chicken. He succeeds to make everyone laugh. He goes out and earns a living for his family. So you have to see maximum connectivity where it lies. Okay, there are two things, that is he is talking about family, and same thing he is talking about family in first one as well as in second one. Where it is there, first one it is he is talking about family, and sixth one also he is talking about family. Both are there in option, you check 1 and 6. Yes, obviously it is there 1 and 6, where it is second option. So you can match like this, so your job was done. So next question we will handle, so you come to know how to handle this section. You all are watching first time my video, just pause my video and keep aside, and first question wise you have to do as your own, and then write down your answers, and at the video I will give you your answer, my answers. So you, after then you can listen to my explanation, then you come to know which one is correct, which one is wrong, how to do, what to do, this type of questions. Okay, second one we need to do, we need to choose what we need to choose, either options or we need to go through question. So it is less, so it is not lengthier, so I need to go wise, column wise. Okay, some rich guy from Boston. Second one, people tend to raise their voice when they. Third one, as soon as the heard the gunshots they dash. So like second column we need to go. Are losing an argument. All were fatally injured. Just brought the house next to mine. See here, as soon as the had heard the gunshots, they all were fatally injured. No, they heard only gunshots, not they direct those guns not fired actually. Okay, they heard the shots, that's all. Okay, so it is not probably the your answer all were fatally injured. There is no such word they used like firing. So they heard, that's all. So that is not the correct. So that is not the correct, you no need to bother about that one. So second, first, fourth one you see, are losing an argument. And using voice actually, when we are losing something, so we will start argument at any cost. So this will join with second one. Okay, this will join with second one. People tend to raise their voice when they are losing an argument. So second one with fourth one, you can go through options. Second one, yes, it is there exactly, it is fourth one. So your job is done, no need to bother about other things. Means only in options only one thing is there, so one connectivity only there. Sometimes they will give two connectivities, means two options, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, like that. So that time you need to bother about that one. So your job is done, I'll leave it this one. This one also go through column wise. Okay, it will be easier. So column 1, it seems like yesterday, but it's actually, I can't believe Vijay is still talking about the only thing that really matters is. Okay, so now come to column 2, whether or not are happy. Again, nearly 10 years since we first met. What happened 2 years ago? So in examination time, what you have to do, put your pen and paper and start writing which one is which one, which one is which one. It is better, so it will minimize your time. Then you go through once options. Okay, now option wise we can check 1 and 4. It seems like yesterday. You have to see fourth one, whether or not you are happy. But actually it is mentioned. Okay, if it seems like yesterday, so up to there one, up to that sentence is completed, means it is okay. It will join with fourth one, but it's actually means it differs completely, the sense of that sentence will differ. So no need to bother about one, leave it. Second option you see, second and fourth one, I can't believe Vijay is still talking about. And fifth one, it is given option second. So nearly 10 years since we first met, so it is not like that. So this is also we can eliminate. Third one you see, the only third one, it is third and fifth he given. The only thing that really matters is nearly 10 years since we first met. No, it is also not same. So your job is done here, so no need to bother about further one. First you have to check first one, second one, third one. You checked each and every one. So it is in actually, again you go through fourth option. It is first, it seems like yesterday, but it's actually, and it is given sixth one, what happened 2 years ago. It seems like yesterday, but it's actually what happened 2 years ago. So there is no sense, actually it is talking about yesterday and what had happened ago 2 years ago. So it is too past. It is not the correct, but when we are reading now, you feel that it is correct. Don't take at a stance. You once you think, twice you think, then you opt for options. So none of the above you can choose here. Okay, none of this. In this question, the still options were there, so I not mention those answers options, but in this you can point it out. Okay, Tom always drinks at least, column wise we need to go here. Second one you see, if he had taken his doctor's advice. Third one, I can still remember the time when. So when means it joins. Okay, it is conjunction. Okay, at least it will also join something. So column 2 you have to see, he might still be alive. Okay, here you see in second part, means in column 1, it is second one you see, if he had taken, means it is if condition, that too third conditional. Okay, so would have or should have or might have plus v3, it should required. So he might have still arrived, means still arrived, like that it will be. So fourth one not will be the joining one with second one in column 2. So fifth one we see, we went on a picnic together. So something it is joining, actually we read that one in first one. Okay, sixth one you see, 3 cups of coffee in the morning. So it will join first one with sixth one. Tom always drinks at least 3 cups of coffee in the morning. So I am not given this in option, but it is still correct. No need to worry, it is not in option. So again, you see, I can still remember the time when we went on a picnic together. This one it is there. So where it is there? Third one and fifth one. So third one is the answer. And one more thing, Tom always drinks at least 3 cups of coffee in the morning. That one also, first one with fourth one, both are also correct. And they will give you like joining, I told you now at the time of starting this video. So same thing, they will give you like 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. So you have to choose that option. Okay, same. One more question is left, we need to talk about that one also. So probably they will choose this type of questions in examination, like PO in SBI PO, they will give this type of questions, lengthy one. So this type of question you have to do more practice. Actually, how to handle this type of question in a less time, it matters in prelims. Okay, why means in SBI clerk also almost 5500 vacancies are reported. So they will choose out of them for prelims, they will shortlist for mains like into 10. So it is 55,000. So 55,000 means the competition will be the huge, but the level of examination in prelims, it is easy. Okay, don't worry, your exam going to be tough in prelims level. No, it is not like that. They will give you easy paper. So you have to practice. So column, this one we need to choose fifth one. We need to talk about fifth one now. What we need to do this one, actually they were given more options. So options wise also it takes time. And we need to go column wise also it takes time. So you do one thing, just identify, means in options there are two parts, like and before one, after one. So you choose at least one, means you can find out remaining one. At least one means one joining part, you can one sentence you can find, means you can try to find through options another one. So that type of technique you have to use here. So then you can minimize your time. Otherwise you need to waste your a lot of time. You have to go through all the things. Again you have to come back to options. Again you have to do that one. First you have to find out first single part, which one is joining one. Then you have to choose that option. From that option, which one is there, either it is fitting or not, you have to choose that one. So I am going through column wise only. Okay, after school Jack usually stick around as long as. Second one, we are planning on doing the sites. Third one, even the repairman couldn't figure out what. Okay, in column 2, had gone wrong with the micro oven. So fifth one you can see, he can because he doesn't want to go home. Sixth one, of the city tomorrow morning. So you found something here, I think so. So see first, had gone wrong with micro oven, so something they have repaired. So you see here, third one, even the repairman couldn't figure out what had gone wrong with the micro oven. Okay, so probably this one you can figure out. Again second one you can see, from that option we can see that where it is actually, when the repairman, third one and fourth one. Okay, it is in third option. So again third option, one more thing is there, and before it is second and sixth. You have to see second, we are planning on doing the sites. Okay, third option, second one, first column it is second one, and after then it is sixth one, of the city tomorrow morning. So it fits actually. Okay, it fits actually. So you have to choose third one. So like that you have to point it out. So it is the topic they introduced in prelims of SBI PO in 2018. So again they're going to do something in this prelims also. Don't expect that same topics they will give you. So every time they will going to introduce something. So as maximum as you have to practice. And whenever they are giving some new topics in examination, so don't fear of it, try to make it solve there itself, you will get it answers. Okay, whenever they are giving first time, that is easy. Whenever they are giving first time something new one, that is easy, you can tackle within no time. Who are watching my video first time, just be subscribe my channel. And who are your friends preparing for the examination, just forward my videos to them. Now we need to see answers. Okay, so what I told you, first you pause my video and answer your own answer. Then you come to options, like you have to listen my explanation. Then you come to know which one is wrong, which one is correct, how to handle. Okay now friends, tomorrow I will bring you one more video. Until then, take care. Bye friends.